Lone. Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah. Once upon a heartbreak, we were stars lost in deep space, underneath the moon's lace, you'd cradle me like grace, Now I'm chasing after empty space, How did we lose faith? If only you had whispered in my ear that it was alright to stay. If only our lips had lingered on sweet nothings we could say. Coulda, woulda, shoulda saved the day. But now we're caught in an unending ballet. Our shadows dance together under twilight sway. I'd give anything to hear you say my name again. Too many nights wasted away on silent screams, on arguments that should have been. If only you'd held me close, forgave mistakes in the morning foggy glow. The echoes of regret play like a ghostly waltz. Can't dance away our past into dust. Too many memories cling around my wrist. Your love was like a whisper, lost in distance. If only we had whispered in each other's ear that it wasn't too late. If only we'd let our hearts linger on the afterglow. Coulda, woulda, shoulda kissed with less restraint. Now all we have is a haunting refrain. So maybe we could whisper into the silence of tomorrow night. If only your arms had lingered in tender memories from our fight last night. Maybe then we'd know what it means to dance in love's lane. But without you, I sing a sorrowful tune on a live stage. Without you, there's no melody left inside my